All right, so the way I ran the harness, as you can see, I made it just a little bit too short. I should probably extend it another foot or so, but I ran the harness. I made it about a foot longer. Probably should make another half foot. But I lined the harness along the edge of the trim. I took a prying tool, lifted up the rubber and tucked it underneath all the way up to the point where it was up to the connection to the lights. With the harness from Oxbeam, it comes with 2 ends. So I connected the first 3 to one end and then the last 3 to the second end. And from there, I just placed it all together, and the wires is ran all the way down through the pillar. Same thing here. I lifted up this chrome trim, which I wrapped in black, but when I ran the harness in through here, it was laying over this. I popped this open a little bit, ran the wire through it, and pushed it right back down. So the wire is running through here, and then it goes into and behind the pillar, all the way down to this harness, to this wire right here, into the harness, into the fuse. So the way I ran the harness into the cabin, you can see right back here where I ran it into. I used a metal coat hanger. I fed it down and through there. It goes right into the cabin.